Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I am here with the 1999 Mercedes SLK 230, and this car's got a problem that it sways over the road in its steering when it's driving. So today we're going to be fitting a new steering dampener to this vehicle. So this is the dampener here that we're going to replace, and as you can see, one end of the dampener attaches to the body of the car and the other end attaches to the whole rack which goes across the entire car width, which is going onto the controlling arms for the steering. So we're going to get into this today and replace this dampener here, which hopefully is going to eliminate the problem of this car just wandering all over the road. All right, so we've got a 5/8 spanner and a 5/8 socket on the impact, and we're going to use that to get the nut undone. So just looking at the old dampener which we took off, you can see that it is actually quite easy to push down there compared to the new one, which was really stiff. So I reckon that's going to do the trick, installing that new steering dampener, and hopefully this car won't sway all over the road anymore. So as you can see, fitting the new SAC steering damper to the SLK was actually a really easy task. So let's take the SLK for a cruise through the beautiful Adelaide Hills to see how it actually performs now. Straight away the car feels better now. Some may say much more a driver's car now. From the first roundabout to the modest bends in the hills, it really is a gem now, and the self-wondering of the car has completely gone. Let's push on with the ride and enjoy the scenery and check out the car a bit more now. So there you go, a nice drive through the Adelaide Hills in the SLK 230, and it's just like chalk and cheese. That new steering dampener has made all the difference. Previously this car was wandering all over the road, and as you can see in there, it's now firm, tight through the corners, and you've got a real driver's feel about the car now. So just $85 and literally a couple of bolts, probably 15-20 minute job max, and the car's like a new car. If you've liked this video, do feel free to like, share and subscribe. Till next time, have a good evening.